Alright, hey guys. So unfortunately, I ended up running out of space anyway. So I decided to, break up this cleaning and service into a few different parts. It may be 5 parts or 6 parts. I'm not sure yet. But where I left off at, I put the screws back onto the motor and mounted the motor back onto the motor braces. So now what's next is to put the blade and the grills back on. So let's do that. But first, you always want to touch your motor before you put the blade back on and after you put it back together. So let's do that. It's high, it's medium, and that's low. And it runs fine. Runs as it should. Spins freely. It spins freely, but not as good as I want it to be. So it's all right. And this little notch right here, this indicates that this is the flat part of the motor. I'm at flat part of how the blade should be put back on the shaft. So let's see. Sometimes you gotta play with it. Boom. It's on. Spins freely. And I'll test it with the blade on. Shaft shakes like crap, but it blows, so it's on completely. I gotta find that knob, that spare knob that I have. That's pretty hard to turn. But what I do is finally put the grill back on. The phone had ran out of storage again, but I should be all right now. So what I've done while the camera was off, I put the front grill back on. That's it. That's what I've really done for now. But we're going to get, there's only one more screw. Here. Yeah, hold that thought. Alright, now that's on. Turn around to the back. Now it's time to put this weird grill back on here. Like I said, I do everything by hand. it's a process, and my hand may cramp up a couple of times, but I don't know. I just prefer it this way at the end of the day. And also, too, from my spare collection of miscellaneous switches and knobs in my bag, found a premium one from when I had 2011, the 2010 and 2011 premium. That's long gone, so I don't have to worry about stressing myself out with this switch. But as you can tell, guys, this fan is officially back together and officially clean. Let's see. I've officially cleaned the 03 to 04 model. This Lasko box fan. All it is missing the switch, but and it's a couple of paint spots, but I can't get those off, so I'm not really worried about it. And I'm glad I found a switch, so at least it has, you know, this little bit of finishing touches onto it. I just got to find a handle for this fan. But yeah, this fan is completely cleaned everywhere. Even the motor's clean. So let's turn the cyclone off so we can hear how this fan makes sound now. So here's high. Blows pretty good too. So it shakes a lot, but that hub may be an issue, but I don't know. So yeah, I know this cleaning service was supposed to be in one video, but I don't have an actual video camera, and I don't know when I plan on getting one. So yeah, because I kept running out of space on this phone, but managed to get everything together and show you guys how I clean my fans, especially my Lasko fans. So I'm pretty happy on how this turned out, even though it's scuff marks and metal shit, missing paint, but it is what it is. But I thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next fan video I'll have for you guys. Thank you.